when I woke up, I just seen these sitting, and I took so long until I sat down on the couch and watched TV. I turned around, and then I saw them on the mistletoe kissing, even though they're brother and sister. Today is the 14th day of Vlogmas.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special in store for you guys. It's a little punishment because I know Mimi, my quinchette, she's antsy, and we're about to ruin her day a little bit.
We actually don't have Kimberly and David because we are supposed to be going Christmas shopping for them, which is the reason why we don't have them. We still have the twins because the twins don't really know any, you know, they'll be excited again. We have like this huge list of stuff we have to take care of. We woke up early today. We have to go shopping. We have like a whole bunch of errands to run.
A lot to do.
Yeah, and this creature decides, oh, I think it'll be fun if
we do the handcuff challenge. Woo! 24 hours, or as long as we can. I don't think you're gonna last all day. I don't think you're gonna last.
I've seen some YouTube people do this, but they usually have a camera person or they are by themselves. Guys, remind you, we have twins. We still have to get in and out of the car with handcuffs. We still have to put the twins in and out of the car and be pushing them in and out. So it's gonna be a little bit complicated. Oh, mi amor, you want to say hi?
It's gonna be really complicated, but we got this, guys. I know it's gonna be hard for both of us, but it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Here, say hi. Hey. Welcome to a new video. Look over there, like say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi. Bye. We just wanted to say hi real quick. So we are gonna get going. I think we'll record ourselves if we can, trying to get in the car with handcuffs. Wait, we have to put the handcuffs on in front of them. Babe, can I please do my left hand?
Yes, you can do your left hand.
Aww. I'm so nervous. Not too tight.
Wait, yeah, like that.
Okay. Do you have the keys?
I have not found the keys.
What do you mean you have not found the keys?
I haven't looked for them.
Why would you put it on us if you don't have the keys?
Oh well.
Babe, wait, hold on. How are we gonna use the restroom?
We better do it now.
No. Thankfully we have the twins, so we can use like those family restrooms.
Family restrooms, yeah.
Oh my god, I shouldn't have wore this shirt. It's one of the ones that like.
Uh-oh. Whoa!
The whole shirt's gonna have to come off. Quick announcement that we wanted to do for you guys. We've honestly been trying to do a giveaway for you guys the longest, but we were, ow, this is tight. We were thinking like, what can we do to spice it up a little bit and make it a little bit fun? We've been seeing a lot of people put like a little secret emoji on their videos, and we thought, oh, how fun, that is super exciting. So we thought, we thought we would give you guys a special Christmas surprise by the day after Christmas. That way you watch all of our Vlogmas videos. Our Vlogmas will be over and you will be able to get the money on hopefully the 26th. You will see the video come up. So we thought, tell them what you thought, babe.
We thought we would actually surprise you with $50 giveaway.
$50 by Christmas.
The only catch is you gotta figure out the phrase. The phrase has 5 words. You guys can actually put them together, and at Christmas or when the last word of the phrase is said, post it up. The first person to post that phrase correctly will receive $50.
So the day that we post our Christmas video, our Christmas Day video, that is the day you will know all of the words by, so you can post it up on there and we will be checking if you've been submitting all your words. So make sure, all you have to do, we're not asking you for anything crazy, we're not saying go follow us on Instagram or anything. All you have to do is make sure you watch our Vlogmas videos. Oh, she's pulling me, babe. So that you don't miss the word. So we're gonna be saying the secret word during the video. And on the last day, I will make sure to insert each clip so you guys are not like, oh, they just made up that word. No, it's gonna be a phrase with 5 words in it, and make sure you're watching the videos all the way to the end so you don't miss the word. Literally, that's all you have to do. The day our Christmas video comes up, you tell us what the phrase is, and you are the winner of $50. The $50 winner will have the money sent via Cash App. I apologize in advance. We are not doing any other payment methods. We are going to be doing the first word in today's video.
So make sure you guys keep watching.
Yes.
And keep an ear out. And some eyes.
And again, we're not going to just say a word and expect you to guess. We will tell you the secret word today is, and you'll know the secret word. So good luck, you guys.
Good luck, everybody, and hopefully you guys have a lot of fun doing this, because I know we will.
Really quick, guys, before we leave, I did want to show you guys that we had to take them off because it's really cold. We did not expect it to be this cold. We're from Arizona, so we put sweaters on, well, a jacket on. We're gonna put them back on before we take off. You ready?
Yes.
See?
Yes.
And then I'm nervous for today. Okay, we are ready to go. Ow, ow. I'm trying, babe. I can't record while you're doing that. Oh my God. Babe, I wish I had bigger arms or longer arms. El día que se me ocurre ponerme falda and it's freaking cold out here.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're out. Oh, we need to get in the car.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get in this one.
I'm so weak.
Sorry for the mess.
Sorry, guys, we haven't, parents of 4 here, we haven't cleaned the car. I'm so weak. We're gonna have to do this all day.
All day.
Oh my God. Guess what? I'm about to make the babies a bottle right now.
While I'm driving?
Yeah. Guys, listen, fun fact. As soon as the car starts, the twins stop crying. I'm already annoyed with this because I can't really be like, oh babe, don't move your hand. But you should have seen him even trying to turn the car on. I just keep forgetting to record. So babe, where are we going first? To breakfast?
We're going to breakfast. Or lunch, actually. Brunch,
because by the time que salimos de la casa, it's always brunch. We never get breakfast. But we are going to, I want Applebee's. Can you go to Applebee's?
I guess so.
Se me antoja Applebee's.
This isn't a I say yes to everything, okay?
No, I'm just spoiled.
A little.
Guys, like I'm literally like, we were just leaving our neighborhood and we were seeing like people walking around in beanies, and this is the first time ever. You guys see me, I never really wear skirts, that I'm like, you know what? I don't have the kids, I'm gonna wear a skirt, look cute. It's freezing. I look like one of those crazy people who wear like, is you hot or is you cold? It's Arizona, it's never this cold here. So we will keep you updated once we get to Applebee's. Okay guys, so we are here downtown Phoenix. He's going to be turning off the car, which is not so bad. We are finally at Applebee's. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. We are going to be attempting to get out of the car now. And get the twins out of the car. I don't know how.
I'm not happy about this. I really had a hard time getting in and out.
Dude, this is gonna be embarrassing.
You guys should comment down below if I should make her jump this instead of me.
I have a skirt, baby. You have to be a gentleman.
We don't have to record you.
No, we have to. They want to see. They want to see you struggle. So let me try to get out. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling so they can see.
Open up there.
Okay. Oh my God, babe, it's cold. Hold on, let me get out. Oh.
You can't.
Me quieres grabar and then I record you so I can try to like.
Well, how are you gonna do it?
I gotta put my skirt down. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, I can record you now. Let me see because it looks hilarious. Oh, I thought there was so many in there. So that was a success. Oh my God, this is gonna be embarrassing in the restaurant with the babies.
I really think you're gonna have to help me right here.
We'll see. Well, yeah, because they're sitting side by side. Oh my God, don't tell me you locked the babies in.
No, I have it right.
Oh my God. Hi, mamas. Hi. I think I am gonna have to. No,
yeah,
go ahead. You're gonna have to get him out, amor. Oh well, you wanted to. You're in front of me.
You do it. Come here.
Oh! You know what's good? You have to put their bows on. No se los dejan. You guys ready to be embarrassed by mommy and papi?
See, it hurts, doesn't it?
Ah! Okay, guys, this is not too too exciting, so I'll catch you up inside, I guess. But we're gonna keep them on. We can't take them off. Babe, my arms are not that long.
I'm sorry. We wanted to do this too, so.
Guys, so we finally got the babies out. How we did it, it was a freaking mission. Seriously, we just got to the first place. And I'm trying to speak loud. Sorry if I'm screaming. I just don't know if you can hear me. But I'm already over this challenge. We were struggling so bad. Look at his hand.
I gotta figure out how to open this door.
Babe, do you really have to tell me with the camera? Me da vergüencita.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, me da vergüenza.
Fine.
That's not cool. Oh, poor Manny. He only has that hand available because I'm holding the baby.
It's not really available because you're holding the camera.
Open the door. Be a gentleman. It's your job to be a gentleman.
Go.
I
You
gotta stop
should hold
recording.
the camera with the other hand.
You got it?
Yeah.
No, pero que no grabes a la gente.
I'm not. Hello. So guys, we made it. Set the twins down. Mama over there struggling.
You don't even know how hard it was to get into this booth. Here, let me record this. So I only had one hand available. I had to toss this baby in here with a little high chair. Huh, baby, and we're gonna have to be like, sorry guys, I'm trying my best to not record people in here. Holiday drink so that we can be litty for this challenge. What did he get, Ahmad?
Margarita.
Margarita.
Shaken.
Shaken.
Not stirred.
You're dumb. This looks delicious. I'm about to try it. Taste test. Taste test.
Taste test 1. It's good?
It's delicious.
Is it?
It's gonna get me screwed up because I don't feel alcohol.
Appetizers are here. Let's have fun eating. As you can tell, some of us already are deep in the game.
Sorry.
Mama over there with the twinnie.
Guys, mind you, this is all their food. They eat a lot.
Except the mozzarella sticks, those are ours.
Oh, it's hot. Hot, 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 hot. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Let's give you a strawberry. Strawberry? I can't reach it.
I love you.
Love you. It's finally here. And
Still trying to figure out how to eat.
yes, look at that. Se enoja porque no le dan más. She, like, look at, they get desperate. They're like, why am I still waiting? Más. She says, más. Mikaline's like, is it my turn yet? Big girl. Challenge. I already started eating, and Manny's still trying to figure out how to hold that big burger. Anybody who knows Manny knows Manny would have already been halfway done with that burger, but he can't hold it with his left hand. Come on, baby, try. Try to pick it up. Wow, I'm already almost halfway through my food. You got it. You're gonna have to keep it in your hand the whole time.
Here I am trying to make her get her food together.
Sorry about that. Thank you.
Thank you, boss. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look, the things I do. And stretch all across the table for her right there. For her little tiny dinosaur hands.
There, babe.
And the twinnies are eating. Not this, but they're eating that.
Are now leaving Applebee's. We are done. Let's see how we get up. You want to try to get up with the baby and then I get up? So I can record it?
Sure.
Okay. You guys ready for this?
And now we have to go for it.
Oh yeah, to go food.
go for it.
Just don't get a bump bump.
Bump up.
Okay, so you're up. Now get the baby. Oh yeah, I got a mask up. Look at your eye. You're not trying to see 2020? Guys, this is beyond hard. Like, I don't know how we're gonna do it to change their diapers right now. Oh, dust her off more. Okay, here. I should have not worn a skirt. I should have worn sweats.
Vámonos.
Vámonos, come on. Come on, stand up.
Good.
You gotta work with me, girlfriend. Dust you off. Okay, we got it.
You got it, babe?
Got the food.
Got the food?
We made it out, guys.
Finally.
I don't know if I'm gonna record Manny getting in the car again, because this video is gonna be like 45 minutes long.
This thing is hard.
It's so
If you guys
freaking
think
hard.
it's easy, it's not.
And then you should see the way people look at us. People like, they stare as it is every day. They're like, oh, are they twins? Is it a boy and a girl? And now with handcuffs, like, it's embarrassing, guys. La gente se mirona.
Machín. Machín.
You gotta be like, you
Again.
smile. Before it gets darker, I wanted to show you guys that we are matching. Let me see, baby. Walk up forward. Wait, I want to see her. Hold on. Hey, do a little dance. Do a little dance. Hey, hey.
Hey, look at that. Hey.
Come on, let's go get it.
Hey, my hand's getting tired.
Well, I'm busy and I need both hands.
Yeah, but I'm tired of holding it up. I'm like, damn, I'm the only one that's holding it up. Can you hold your phone down at least? There you
But then this hand gets tired of holding it with one hand.
Go down
Every
to
normal human message is like this.
I can't even switch lanes properly. Fine is downwards or on the steering wheel. Let's see, you hold it up. Awesome, we're driving together.
We're driving together.
This is teamwork, driving together. Yeah.
Here we are at Target. We are going to do a Target run here. Ah, I'm trying to subir esta cosa.
The tired ass hand.
I know, like, for real, like, I don't know what we're getting ourselves into. But I am not gonna be able to vlog a whole lot in there. I'm gonna do some stuff, but I am having to shop for the kids, so of course it's gonna be a little difficult to put what we're shopping for. But hopefully we don't get too many stares with these on, or we don't get kicked out. I don't think so, because I feel like with the babies we look more like, oh, they're cool.
Who knows?
We'll catch you in there.
Catch you guys inside.
So cute, but it looks too springish, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, you know how many looks we're getting so far? It's so embarrassing. And then we have to have a stroller and a cart, but it's like impossible to record with the stroller and the cart because we can't walk side by side.
I gotta hold on to the cart with one hand.
This is becoming more difficult than we originally thought. So we're gonna try to record as much as we can, but it's hard.
Guys, you guys don't even know how hard it is to be pulling backwards and pushing forwards with one hand. Right, babe?
Yes. And we have to go to the makeup aisle because I need some primer.
That's the key word, guys. Hint, hint. The.
Keyword, the. So let's head on over there. Don't forget the keyword, guys. Hi, say hi. Look at the baby. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, babe, thank you. Guys, so unfortunately, we are gonna have to close out the channel right here because the babies did go potty and it's gonna be super difficult to change them with these on, 2 of them. So we're gonna be doing the closeout here. Once again, thank you so much for watching today's challenge. We might do a remake.
Remember the keyword. Okay?
Yes, remember.
Write it down somewhere. Put it on your notes. Write it down on a notepad.
Well, other than that, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so that you get notified every time we post.
And like our videos, comment, and share to everybody you guys know. Coincides?
Schmuckums.
Let's hit them with another one.